How to tell what e-commerce platform a site is using. Have you ever wondered how to unveil the technology behind your favorite online stores? Building an e-commerce store is no easy task, and understanding your competitors' platforms is key. In this video, we'll show you some fantastic tools and methods to discover the e-commerce platform used by any website. Stick around because you don't want to miss this. First up, we have Wapalizer. This nifty Chrome, Firefox, and Opera browser extension is a game changer. Just install it, and it'll reveal the website's platform with a single click. It's that easy. Next on our list is Built With. Not only does it tell you the e-commerce platform, but it also provides insights into other aspects of website creation, like widgets and apps. It's a treasure trove of information. Ever heard of Inspect Element? It's a built-in browser tool that allows you to peek behind the curtains of a website. Right-click, choose Inspect, and you'll be browsing the source code. Look for mentions of Shopify or WP, WordPress, to uncover the platform's secrets. W3Tex is a goldmine of data on web technologies. Just input the website URL, and it does the detective work for you. Discover trends, frameworks, and, of course, the e-commerce tools in use. WordPress lovers, we've got something special for you. Did you know that 1/3 of websites are powered by WordPress? Tools like WP Theme Detector can reveal which theme a WordPress site uses, shedding light on its e-commerce setup. And last but not least, Shopify users, pay attention. With the Shopify app and Farah AI's Theme Detector, you can easily uncover the apps and themes your favorite stores are using. It's like having X-ray vision for e-commerce. Thank you for tuning in today. Until next time, happy e-commerce exploring.